Payments is a rapidly evolving space, and that's presenting a lot of opportunities as well as challenges for the banks. Whether you talk about ISO 20022 adoption or move to real-time payments on a domestic as well as cross-border front, pilots with central bank digital currencies, use of alternative rails, or AI for coming up with modern customer propositions, all of this is happening simultaneously, which is putting obviously a lot of pressure and opportunities, creating opportunities for the banks. If you look at real-time payments on its own, based on the recent study that was done, in a lot of places that is expected to grow by 40 to 50% annually. And it's presenting unique challenges. A, to offer those services in a secure fashion, but B, more importantly, how do you set up the infrastructure so that it can scale and meet the requirements? The regulators are also coming hard on banks because they want to ensure that these systems are resilient. They're systemically important, so need to be resilient. That's on the bank side. And if you look at banks' corporate customers, they're going through quite a lot of digital transformation, and they're expecting the banking partners to provide products that seamlessly integrate within their ecosystem to provide great services, and they want it to be done at a rapid pace. All of these are very interesting developments in the payment space, but equally demanding on the banks.
I think you're going to have lots of sips, I would say. You're right, there are many like customer service, management applications. I think at the moment the buzzword is agentic AI. But to kind of make sure you don't sip too much of your coffee, let me not start with agentic AI. I think let's recognize, the ones that are already here. So I think there's biometric authentication, Face ID, fingerprint. But also what we're then seeing when it comes to authentication is voice, voice being used, to enable higher security, but with minimal friction as well. But then also I'm then seeing, open banking API. Everyone is very used to their card added into their wallet. But I think with open banking, we'll start to see that seamless, bank to wallet transfer. We'll see the real-time account verification, and then powered by personalized, financial tools for the individual as well. Now, also AI. So maybe you need to sip a lot of coffee, but we're going to see a lot of AI and machine learning. We're going to see AI leverage in terms of fraud detection. So whereby we're kind of getting all that data, understanding the patterns across the millions of transactions, to really protect our customers as well. I then also touched on hyper personalization. Again, with all the transaction data that is there, you're going to see AI being able to curate that spend insight, offering customers, insights on their spending, offering them insight on offers that are available to them, but also budget nudges in terms of, this is what we think you need to kind of spend your money on to kind of save money for whatever saving goals you may have.